Welcome to this Apploye tutorial on how to activate add-ons for your account. To get started, go to Settings from the left sidebar. Then click on My Plan. Scroll down to the Add-on section. Here, you'll see a list of available add-ons such as Stealth Mode, Video Recording, More Screenshots, API Access, White Labeling, and On-Premise. Find the add-on you want to enable and click the Add button. Please note that if you are currently on trial, you will need to upgrade first. You can click on the Upgrade to Add button. Let's activate the More Screenshots add-on. After clicking on Add, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click on the Add More Screenshots button to purchase it. The add-on will now be added to your subscription, and you can start using its features right away. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance, reach out to our support team.